Hello everybody, today we're going to be installing Python. So first step, you want to go to Google and type in Python. It should be the first link. Just go hit the downloads and then hit this button right here. It'll download the file so you can save that. And once it's done downloading, you're going to want to open it up. Excuse my terrible internet. Alright, now I've already installed it, so I won't be installing it here, but the installation is relatively easy, so do not worry. You just have to click next a few times and everything should be good for you. So once you're done with installing, in order to actually start writing Python code, you can type into the search bar here Python, and you get the first one you get would be the Python command line, and this is an interactive Python interpreter. It's live kind of, so you can just type in any Python command and it'll work, although that wouldn't work because that's Python 2 syntax, so I'll just type in some Python 3. Alright, so yep, but what we really care about is this thing called idle, and this is the Python IDE, which an IDE is something that is a text editor and also allows you to run code. So if it's an IDE for a compiled language, then it would include a text editor and a compiler, but if it's an IDE for a scripted language like Python, then it would be the text editor and also the interpreter. So what you're going to want to do is go into File and hit New Window, and this will open up the text editor where you can start typing all your Python code. So I'm just going to write a quick little program. Alright, and to run your program, you just go to Run and hit Run Module. You're going to want to save it, so I'll just save it to my desktop. Alright. And then it should run. And a quick little tip, if you want to not go into Run and then Run Module every time, there's actually a shortcut here. It's F5, so you just hit F5 and it should run as well. Alright, that'll be it for today. Although, one more thing before I leave. I just want to point out that this program idle here is also the same program that this guy called CentDex uses in his tutorials. When you start up his videos, you'll be greeted with like a blank white screen, and you might be confused about that, but really he's just inside of idle. So just to clear up a bit of confusion about that if you were confused.